All right, guys, so the family's been a bit slow to get to some of these challenges, so I thought, what would motivate them more than a little bit of cash money? I got 1,000 bills, all in ones, and I'm about to make it rain like a pre-COVID strip club. Whatever they catch, they get to keep. This is the Make It Rain Challenge. Let's go. Mystery game. You have to go get something that you would use to catch something falling. No, it's going to be a lot of little things.
Like a net.
Like if confetti was falling, what are you going to use to catch the most?
How about you? That's a good idea.
No. Taylor, you want something to catch.
I want to use you to catch it.
No.
I got this. I hope it's not too heavy.
But we don't. He's not going to throw anything.
Oh, nice,
I don't
Mom.
think.
A plate.
That can catch something.
Great idea.
Oh, Dad's got a cooler. That could be smart.
Oh wait, I'm going to use this. Oh, that's all you
Oh,
have.
wow. That's pretty good.
I don't have a
Do you
net.
have a net down there?
No. What do you get now? Oh!
Wow. Okay.
That's pretty heavy. That's pretty good and heavy. It's pretty heavy.
What are we catching?
What's your
Okay. I'm going to be the one tossing. Literally tossing 1,000 cash.
Oh my God. I'm glad I got
Well,
this.
I'm going to throw it all ones. Whatever you catch, you get to keep.
Yes, Brett will be paid. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Woo!
Can I change?
Don't
Are
be
you
nice
serious? Is
to
that
me.
real money?
Yeah.
Hey, are we doing this?
It's 1,000 cash.
Oh, hell yeah. Woo! I think I got the best
Yeah, I
thing.
knew you lied because you said I was at Lowe's and I was like,
I got
I did go to
All
Lowe's.
right, let's go.
I got something. Wait, are we all
The
catching
dad's
at the
is
same
good.
time?
Yeah, you got to catch as much as you can.
Hey, you can grab it. Whole stack right here.
Okay.
The whole stack.
Okay, here it comes.
guys,
What should I start with? Maybe
If I break
maybe
it
one
to
of
you,
these
That hits me in the
to
mouth.
start. Dad, is it okay if some hits the
I
chandelier?
don't care.
We'll have
Okay.
to get it. It's ours if it hits the chandelier.
stop, Zach! Get away
Ready?
from me!
Zach, Zach.
Zach is
Oh,
gonna mess me up.
I'm gonna get the
Alex,
whole
stop it.
corner.
Here it goes.
Down.
Go.
Here we go.
Stop!
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my brakes not working. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh, my brakes not working. Oh.
This is not working!
Well, I might that big one to fall. Oh, there it is. Stack right here. Can we grab on the ground?
Hey, can we get money on the ground?
Look at Mom. She's already on the ground.
Okay, go.
Mom's on the ground.
Oh my God. Zach! Where's Mom's platter? Oh, Mom's shoving it in her shirt.
Mom. Let's do that again, Alex.
Zach probably got the most.
No.
Shot.
My
Taylor.
bag was not catching anything.
Taylor.
Yeah?
Dang,
Look at
Taylor,
the-
I think you got more than me.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, look at that.
oh, on the handle, Taylor. No.
Alright, let's count.
Zach! Shit! You almost got my finger in that.
Oh, my God.
It was
I
bad.
got a plumb leg.
I
wanna
had to
get
go for
that.
money.
What?
Alright, let's count.
Oh, look, here's two in here. Oh, here's another one.
That was the funnest thing.
Thank you, Alex.
Oh, God. Look over here.
That's
The bag did not work at
Look,
all.
there's some in the chandelier. Good. Look at Oh! Oh no! How much is left?
No! Let it go. That one fell out of my
Dad
hand.
did all the work. He didn't get any of the bills. Oh, there's one left. Oh!
Get out of here. That's Zach. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
My heart is
I haven't laughed that much.
My heart is racing so.
Throwing it in her bucket.
Yeah,
Well,
I wasn't even looking, but then I looked. She looked kind of empty.
What I was doing is holding mine the highest out of
No,
everyone.
mine was higher than yours.
Taylor had hers
It
pretty
might.
Everyone was panicking.
I mean, that was a lot of fun.
Taylor might have made out the most.
Taylor did pretty good. Zach doesn't look. Lee, I dropped a stack. It didn't fall apart and just fell right into your cooler. You already at a hundy? Taylor made out.
What, 60? I'm going in 20s.
Zach, you at a hundy yet?
180.
I'm at 140.
Okay.
I'm doing mine in 10.
$9. $9. I only lost
Look at that. What is that?
$991. I think Dad.
Did not work.
Dad's just doing stacks of hundreds.
I have 255.
$255.
Good.
That's 224.
224.
224 from Wendy.
And you
Okay,
have
wait. Can we write this down?
1, 2,
Hold on.
205.
205.
So
Dad must have made out.
Look at this stack that hit in
Oh,
there.
look at this stack. That was
That
it.
whole stack dropped in there. Hang on.
Oh, dear.
That's a good one. That's why you need a big cooler. Big 4, 5, 306.